Good morning, guys. How are you? I hope you're having a really good morning. Um, Today we're going to learn something new. New because you know how to subtract using place value, but we're going to do it mentally this time, okay? So we're going to answer, or we're going to learn what we need to do to answer page 25. What does this mean? It means that you're going to learn how to subtract ones from a two-digit number. I tell it again, using just your mind. As you can see, I have the same example. That is the exercise A. And this one is asking us to subtract 4 from 32, okay? I'm going to start teaching you the first method. This one is the one that the book is telling you to use. And the second one is a little bit different. I think some of you will go and choose the second one because it's easier, but still, we need to learn how to do this one, okay? I'm going to teach you 3 steps to do this one. The first one, that is the one that the book is telling us to use, okay? So the first step is this. First of all, we need to write our subtraction sentence. You know already that the subtraction sentence has 3 parts, okay? We always start with the greatest number or the whole, okay? Then we write our sign that it's minus, and then we have the part that we need to take away. So this is our subtraction sentence, 32 minus 4. That's it, we have it, and we start to take the steps. Step number 1, okay? You need to take the first part, the biggest part, or in another word, the whole, and split it up. How are we going to split it up, okay? In case you don't know what split up means, it means actually to divide it. You have to be really sure that you always get a 10 in here. Always. The second part of the part you're going to take away, or that you're going to divide, you must take a 10. The number 32, if you have a 10 in here, the rest is going to be 22. Okay? Always. The first part you need to split it up and get this 10. Why is this important? This is gonna take us to the second step. Step number 2. We're gonna take this 10 and guess what? We're gonna use it to do another subtraction sentence. This number 10, we're going to use it to take away the ones. We are still subtracting, keep it in mind. This is a step number 2. The 10 you took about splitting up the 32, you take it here, and then you're going to take away the number 4. Okay? 10 minus 4, it is 6. I hope you have 6. Okay? Perfect, so far so good? I hope you're doing it good. And then, this is going to take us to the step number 3. We're going to take this number 6, okay, and we're going to add it to the one we have in here. Okay? Again, the result that you got from using the 10 and taking away the number 4, you have it in here. We're going to use the 6 and we're going to take it with the 10s we have left. This is going to give us 28. And that's pretty much it. That's going to be it. 32 minus 4 equals 28. These are the steps you have to do. It's kind of tricky, but it's a matter of practice. The first step, split up the 10s, you always get your 10. And what you have left, you keep it in there. You don't touch it anymore. The second step, you use this 10, the one you just created, in order to take away the ones you have in your original subtraction sentence. Finally, the result, you add it to the 10s you had on top. And that's the result. Okay? As you can see, you have to use 3 steps. The other step, the second method, again, you have to write your subtraction sentence. 32 minus 4. What is the easiest way to do this? Count backwards. What is counting backwards? counting as if you were taking steps back, okay? Imagine that you are in the number 32 and you need to take 4 steps away. If I come back, I will be counting 31, 30, 29, and 28. How many steps did I take back? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Minus 4. I stop in here. It is 28. This is going to work because right now we're just subtracting ones. Careful, keep it in mind. This is going to work only if we are taking away ones. It's going to be different when we start taking away to the tens from a two-digit number. It's going to be a different strategy, okay? So these are the ways you can do it. You can count back, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have it like this, or you can go and use the method of the book. Up to you, okay? Pay attention. If you have questions, go and watch the video again. You can watch it 2 or 3 times until this starts to make sense. Do not go and go through that to your teacher. Teacher, I have questions. Teacher, I didn't get it. Take a minute. Take a big breath and watch the steps again, okay? You're good, you're smart, and you can do it. Have a good day. Ciao.